What's up guys, this is Leo from the Chocolate Quartet, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Minecraft server. Now there's two ways of making it. The first one is to use port forwarding, the second is to use Hamachi. First I'm going to teach you guys how to use the port forward method. So go ahead and go to minecraft.net/download. All the links I talk about in the video are provided in the description. Alright, so now as you can see there's a heading called multiplayer server. What you want to do is go ahead and download this file, minecraft_server.exe. Once you've downloaded the file, I've already downloaded it to save some time, you'll have it in a folder. So just make a new folder, call it whatever you want. I've called it Minecraft server, and place the file inside the folder. Now go ahead and double click the file. Alright, so as you can see, it started to unpack things. And basically what this exe file does is it starts everything up for you. It basically unpacks everything you're going to need to, to get you started. So it's not going to take much time, only a few seconds. Alright, as you can see, it's done. So now we're on to the port forwarding bit. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to a website called portforward.com. Alright, now this part is a bit tricky because everybody has different routers, so port forwarding may be different from you or your friend or anybody else. So here is a website that actually helps you port forward for any router out there. And here's a list of all the routers that they can help you with, and I'm pretty sure these are pretty much all of them. Now generally people have D-Link routers, so I'm just going to randomly click on a D-Link router, and I'm going to just show you guys how to do a little bit of it. So go ahead and click here to skip this advertisement. And as you can see, we're on the router page. Now, here is where we go and use something called Control F to help us find a Minecraft server, because that's what we need to port forward. So go ahead and type in Minecraft, and as you can see, it's directed us here. Oh, whoops, I clicked something else. There we go. I clicked something else. So make sure when you're doing this you don't click something else. Alright, so port forwarding Minecraft server on the D-Link DGL4T500. Cool. Now this isn't my router, but the point is that you have to follow all of these instructions for you to port forward. Now the port you're actually forwarding is port number 25565. I'm going to say it one more time. 25565. That's the port that Minecraft uses. Okay, so follow these instructions to the letter. Now let's say you want to check if your port actually works. How do you do this? Well, there's another website called yougetsignal.com/tool/openports. The link is in the description, and I'm just gonna go to it right now. Alright, so as you can see, we're here on the website. Now, basically they tell you your external IP, whatever else. And you have to make sure that this is open, okay? Your server is open. So go ahead and go to port number 25565 and click check, okay? I've already done this, so I know my server works. But the point is, you need to do this to make sure it works. If it's a green light, that means it's working. If it's a red light, obviously it's not working. If it's not working, leave a comment or check the F.A.Q in the description. It's going to have obviously all the frequently asked questions. If it still doesn't work, then go through the tutorial again. The forwarding page I talked about. Go through it again and see if you made any mistakes. Now I'm going to talk to you about Hamachi and how to use Hamachi. Alright, so I'm back at google.ca, and if you're going to use Hamachi, you need to actually download Hamachi. And when you use Hamachi, you have to make sure that your friend has Hamachi, or whoever's going to be on your server has Hamachi. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay? So go ahead and click on the first link. The link is provided in the description. And you have to get unmanaged. So go ahead and click download. Agree. And click download and download this. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, you need to install it. Now this is a pretty simple process, like you just have to click next and stuff like that. So I'm going to skip it because I don't want to be wasting your time. Alright, so once you've installed Hamachi, Go ahead and open it. Alright, so as you can see, it's offline, so we're gonna need to click the power button, and we will name this whatever we want. Alright, probing. Alright, so pretty awesome. We are now have set up Hamachi, and go ahead and click create a new network. Now here you have to name the network that your friends are going to use, so name this whatever you want and set your password to whatever you want, and go ahead and click create. Alright, awesome. We're done making the network. Alright, now we need to actually set this up with our server. Alright, so now we need to set up, like I said, Hamachi with our server. So go ahead and click on server. Alright, so we need to click on server.properties. Now this is the first time opening the program. You're going to need to open it with Notepad, because there's no extension called properties. Alright, so once you have the server.properties file open, I'm going to explain what all these mean later, but you need to go over here where it says server IP and enter in your Hamachi IP. So in our case, well, in my case, sorry, it would be 5.119.219.87. Alright, and you have to make sure you save all this, otherwise it won't work. So file save. Alright, so if you're going to be using the port forwarding technique, then you don't need to change the server IP. Just leave it be and you'll be good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly explain to you what all of this means. Now, allow another, anything, sorry, I'm just going to go over kind of the terminology here. True means yes, false means no. So if you say allow another, that means yes, allow the another. So true. If you don't want that on your server, set the value to false. Okay. The level name is just level name, pretty self-explanatory. Enable query, allow flight, so flying. This is a server port we talked about previously. The level speed, show NPCs if you want people just moving around. Whitelist, spawn animals, online mode, true, difficulty, max players. You might want to change this. Maybe your internet can handle it or can't. Generally, people have it around 510, depending on their internet speed. If you don't want spawn monsters like zombies and stuff, then you just change this value to false. Now, let's say you have some person you don't want on your server, then you can go ahead and go to banned IPs, and you can put their IP here, and that would be the end of that. They won't be able to connect to your server. Same thing here, ban players, their username, you can ban that. And here is the file where you want to put your own name, where it'll give you all of the trader privileges. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any question, please be sure to leave it below. If you liked our video, or if you like our videos, if you check them out, please be sure to subscribe. Please leave an honest rating, whether you liked it or disliked it, and if you could, just tell us why you liked it or disliked it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys later.